Hi, my name's Tara Stevens, and I'm a counselor at BHR Behavioral Health Response. When we experience stress, we feel it in our body. That's why our heart may start racing, our belly might hurt, we might develop headaches, or feel like we can't catch our breath, have a choking sensation, or feel numbness or tingling in our limbs or in our fingers or toes. And that's all completely normal, but it doesn't feel good, right? The goal is to help calm our body down, because when we calm our body down, we calm our brain down, and we can be in the present moment. And that just makes us feel a lot better than worrying about stressful events of the past or worry about the future. One technique we can do to help calm the body down is called the butterfly hug. Now, you probably have heard of REM sleep before. REM sleep is when we're had a very deep sleep, we have rapid eye movement. Our eyes are going back and forth. This rapid eye movement is helping our brain and our body digest the events of the day, right? Help clear kind of those thoughts out. That might be why you have some crazy dreams sometimes. And that is why it's so important that we make sure we're getting some deep quality sleep to help process those events. But sometimes we experience a lot of stress and trauma, and it's hard for our body and our brain to digest those events. That's why you may have heard of EMDR therapy before. EMDR therapy stands for Eye Movement Rapid Desensitization. Essentially what it's doing, just like REM sleep, is it's helping digest stress and trauma in our body. Okay? We can do this by looking back and forth if you go see a therapist who's trained in EMDR, but we can also do this by doing bilateral stimulation. So that would just be touching opposite sides of our body. So the butterfly hug I love because it's easy, we can do it, right? We can do it anytime maybe our body feels really stressed out or we're experiencing a lot of trauma to help calm the body down. The butterfly hug was developed by EMDR therapists in the 1990s when they were working with children who had experienced an earthquake in Mexico. And they found this quick, simple technique helped these children's bodies digest the stress and the trauma that they were feeling, help calm the body down, help calm the brain down, and bring them in the present moment. So to do this exercise, you just want to crisscross your arms and kind of hold your shoulders. Now the nice thing is it kind of almost feels like a hug, right? And what we know about a hug, even if it's us just hugging ourselves, is that it decreases pain that our body is experiencing. And when we experience a lot of psychological pain, emotional pain because of stress and trauma, we feel that physically, just like our belly hurting, our heart racing, maybe a choking sensation, headaches, tingling. We're feeling that stress physically. So even just hugging ourselves releases some of that pain and helps. But this butterfly hug is we're going to practice the bilateral stimulation, okay? So we are going to gently tap on each side. Practice some of our deep breathing. And we're just stimulating that body sensation by tapping, alternating tapping. So we can do this for a few seconds, for a minute, however long you need to help calm the body down, help the body digest the stress and the trauma that you're feeling. And you may even want to end with just like a slight little hug, just to kind of help relax the body and help the body digest that trauma, that stress, and feel better from that pain. So that calms our body down, calms our brain down, brings us back into the moment. So I encourage you, anytime you're feeling a little overwhelmed, some stress, if you've experienced some trauma, give yourself a hug and practice that butterfly hug. Have a great day. Bye.